Throughout history, humans worked in quiet partnership with nature. We wove baskets from reeds, knotted carpets from wool, carved boxes from wood, and shaped plates from clay. Everything we created came from the earth and gently returned to it. But then something changed. In 1862, plastic was introduced into our lives and we chose it again and again until one day it is now everywhere. Hello ReCrafters! Today we're turning a palm tree leaf into something useful and beautiful. No machines, no tools, just by our hands. With a little bit of patience, little bit of creativity, and art spirit. So if you're ready, grab your scraps, sparkle your imagination, and let's ReCraft together. Today we're choosing something different. Today we're choosing art spirit. Today we're choosing the planet. In this video, we are creating a natural decorative material, something simple, beautiful, and long-lasting. I came across this little palm tree leaf while hiking in the forest. Someone had pruned their tree and left it behind forgotten. As you can see, it was already in bad shape, slowly heading toward decay. But I thought maybe it just needed a second chance, so I brought it to my office. Here is my gardening pruner, one of my favorite tools. I started by cutting the leafy parts, but the branch side is really tough. Not the kind of thing you cut casually with one hand, so a little extra strength was needed here. Now, the branch is also full of fibers, perfect for weaving, but not today. Today, we're focusing on the softer side. The structure of a palm tree is actually incredible. It has both rigid and flexible sections, like nature designed it with purpose. For this project, we need the thin, flexible layers. So I gently separate them using my thumbnail. And I have to say, it's surprisingly relaxing. I cut out the rigid parts and try to make them have equal width. Each strip is so strong as well. Oh, and look who is there! Hello, little friend, are you lost? If you look closely, you'll see how beautifully this leaf is designed. And yay! Now we have plenty of strips. I don't know about you, but I feel like they are just as excited as I am, maybe even ready for a little spa day. First, I wash them with water and soap. One by one, carefully cleaning each strip. You might be thinking, is this really worth it? Trust me, it absolutely is. Just wait for the result. Now look at this! Soft, flexible, almost silky natural strips. I wish you could smell them. It's like bringing a piece of the forest right into your hands. I boiled some water, partly for the strips, partly for my coffee. Priorities. Then I let it cool down a little by adding cold water. The strips go in and rest for a while, getting softer and easier to work with. Next step, trimming. I try to keep the width consistent and remove any thick stubborn parts. because when we start weaving, flexibility is everything. I also cut the ends diagonally. You will see why very soon. I count the strips because I'm curious how many I got from a small leaf. You can also dry and keep them for a long time. Here is an example. I cut them last summer. Now, to show you clearly, I attach 4 strips onto a piece of cardboard with a white sheet underneath. We start by crossing them in the middle. Then fold strip number 1 and 4 like this. Open the crossed ones, and that's your starting position. From here, it's all about rhythm. Left side up, press. Right side back, press and cross. Left side up, press. Right side back, press and cross. Repeat and repeat. At some point, your hands just take over. You will find yourself weaving while chatting or even watching something. It might feel tricky at first, but once it clicks, you won't want to stop. There is something about the soft texture. It's almost meditative. And when a strip becomes too short, don't worry. Here is how we add a new one. We'll take care of the extra ends later, no rush. Let the weaving flow. I think this length is just right. Let's cut it here and secure it with tape. And yes, I still don't like packaging tape, not even a little. Now it's time to clean up those long spike-like ends sticking out from the weave. Take one strip, gently bend it back, and simply follow the path it already knows. See that little intersection waiting there? That's your helper. Slide the extra piece right under it and let it disappear into the pattern. If anything is still sticking out, just trim it off. Simple, neat, and satisfying. Do you remember the natural strip I used in my toolbox video? This is exactly the same idea, and you can create so many beautiful things with it. And in the next video, I have a little surprise waiting for you. Stay tuned! Can you imagine? I just took a very small palm tree leaf into my office, I cleaned it, I cut it out, and I got 144 strips. Then, in the end, I weaved them all and I got 738 centimeters of natural strips. So, I can do anything with this material. I can cover a chandelier, I can cover a box, I can make small candle holders, anything you think of. If you do your own art piece using this kind of natural materials, please share it with me. I would love to hear from you. So, until next time, stay well!